spinners can make the most of this dust bowl of a pitch. It's time for the toss. The men who matter are out here. And it's tails. A fine wicket to score some early runs. The batting side will try and make the most of it. The stadium is packed with a very eager audience. The players look confident. Both the teams look great in shape. Hope we can see some really good cricket today. The fielding is spread out, making it a bit hard for the batsman to score. Oh, what a shot! New to the ground? Never mind. Hit a boundary off the first ball. Well, that's a good throw by the fielder. Get it, good thinking by the batsman. They complete the single with ease. More changes to the field as the batsman looks on. Come on! He has to run hard on this one to be safe. Opening the tally with a quick single. Driven long and hard. He's lofted it just right. Bounce and boundary. That finds the middle of the bat, and he goes for the on-drive. An absolute scamster of a ball, completely fools the batsman. An off spinner. Will the bails be spinning off soon, we wonder? An acrobatic dot, sensational effort in the field there. The batsman opting to play it safe on that one. No runs. It clears the feet, and the fielding unit has aided in the early breakthrough here. He whacks it over the field. It could have. The ball races away to the boundary. The fielder is all over it. No freebies today. That's one more notch on his belt. Good single. Bowled him. The batsman is gone. An achievable target in this pitch. Still, the match is He steps out and slogs it over. What a cracking start! A boundary off his first encounter. Could have easily nicked the bat. He clears the circle comfortably. Tough opposition for the bat. A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. Just the one off that ball. He's lofted it just right. That's the first wicket down in this innings. He's lofted it just right, with a hop, skip and a jump up the ropes. What a cracking start. A boundary off his first encounter. Sends it flying square, aiming 4 off the over's last ball. The crowd is literally on its feet as the final over begins. He whacks it over the fielders' heads. Some fancy footwork there. Pays off with a 4. He comes down the pitch of the ball. The fielder is all. He knows every run stopped counts. Nice. A stunning victory. And yet another feather in their cap as the ultimate winners. Of sporting caliber. Truly the man of the match.